In this video, I'm going to show you switch statement in C#. So we have already seen the decision control in C# where we discussed about the if statement, if else statement, and the else if ladder. So likewise, the switch statement is also used to take the decision. So it is also helps to make the decision control statement. So let's take in one variable and let's make a one variable. Here it's equals to 6 or 5, whatever you can give, and int is equals to 6. And if I write here the switch keyword, switch, and if I make the bracket and if I give inside the variable A, and if I start the curly braces here, and I have to give the case here, case 0. I can start from the case 0 or case 1 or whatever case I want, but I have to give the numeric value, case 0. And if this case 0 is matched, then I can keep the message, the value is 0. And in another line, I have to keep the break. So if this case 0 is matched, then it will execute this code, console.write line, that is the value is 0, and it will execute this code and it exit from here, exit from the case 0, and it stop the execution of the program. And I can give the another case also, case 1, and if case 1 is matched, then the value is 1, and likewise I have to again break this code from here. And at last, I can give the many cases, case 0, case 1, case 2, case 3, so many cases. Or I can write the case directly into the case 6, case 6, case 6, and console.write line, the value is 6. Sorry, value is 6. So in this way you can give the another value also. Sorry, so the value is 6, and again I have to give the break statement here, break. Again I have to give the break here, and at last I have to give the default value, DEFA equal to default value, and inside the default value again I have to write the CW, and this is DEFA equal to default value, and at last again I have to give the break. And if I run this code by pressing the Ctrl F5 or pressing the run button, then you can see the output, the value is 6, because our case 6 is matched here. And if matched with if no one is matched here, if case 0, case 1 or case 6, none of this is matched, then it will execute the default code here. And if this case 6 is matched, then it won't check the default value or other remaining value. If case 1 is matched or case 0 is matched, then it won't check the case 1 or case 6 values. It is same like the if else statement, but we have to use only in the numeric value here, and to display the if you can take an example according to your numeric value comparison, like the you can compare using the week in a the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 7 days in a week. If someone enter the Sunday, then if case 0, you can make the case 0, and if one the case 0 or case 1, and you can compare with these 7 days in a week or any other example. So you can use this way. So this is a switch statement. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so very much.